This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Grohowski and Kim Lam. Great first floor condo for sale in Orlando. 1 bedroom, 1 bath almost turnkey ready condo. New flooring installed, newer paint, and bathroom has been remodeled. Great for investor that has great excellent tenant that has been there more than 9 years. Plaza Millennium is a cozy gated community, with a community pool and clubhouse. It is situated near the Mall of Millenia and various shops and restaurants. You'll be minutes from downtown Orlando and everywhere with access to I-4 and the 408. For more information, review the details below or contact Grohowski and Kim Lam at 407-406-5322.